Hello, I'm John Dabrowski, and I'm looking forward to presenting at the Astute Recruitment Business Breakfast in February. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm excited about sharing three things. There are going to be three things I want to share that are particularly valuable to me and to the organisations I work with across the world. Number one are the 5 key pillars of mental resilience. All high achievers have these 5 pillars in place. Whether it's music, sport or business, doesn't matter what it is, and I'll be sharing those with you. Number 2 is a reframe technique, how to find a positive in every negative situation. And when you do that, you have hope because something good has come out of a bad situation. And the third one is how to bounce back really quickly from a negative scenario, negative experience, wherever it is. Don't stay there. You have to bounce back really quick. You do something about it, do it, but then move on. I'll teach you how to do that. And there'll be many other things I'll be going through. But I'm really looking forward to it. So I want you there. I want you to come along, and I believe it'll change your life. I really do. I believe from all the experience I've had from one-to-one coaching, from masterclasses I run, and from speaking on stage, people take away at least 2 or 3 things from every time I speak. So get down there. I'm looking forward to seeing you. All the best. Have a great day. Bye-bye.